morning, students. Last class explained here is using to, and now that is either or neither or completed here class. Now I am going to explain here using so that. Say example, children. First one, Mrs. Slater was too vulgar to keep anyone, to help anyone. Sorry, here is to help anyone. Here is so that. Mrs. Slater was too vulgar to help anyone. Here is to using to here, children. So we are using so. So that is here is too vulgar means very. That is so. So here is answer. Mrs. Slater was so vulgar. Okay, children. So here Mrs. Slater was too vulgar means here is one sentence. To help anyone, this is a phrase. There's no subject. So here phrase became sentence. So you know, children, sentence has three elements which are subject and verb, and here is object. So this is a phrase. So it should be changed into class. Phrase and then class ga marchar. Class and subject is there, verb and object is there. So first this is completed. Mrs. Slater was too vulgar. Mrs. Slater was so vulgar. Here is conjunction that. So it should be used to join, that is another sentence. So vulgar that. So we should write here subject. What is the subject? Say here is Mrs. Slater. Here write she. So here is Mrs. Slater was so vulgar that she, here is negative meaning, using negative meaning. So that she didn't or could not. She could not or she didn't. So Mrs. Slater was so vulgar that she didn't help anyone. See, children, once Mrs. Slater was too vulgar. Mrs. Slater was so vulgar. That is the connection. Here is that is there. Then here is it is a phrase. Phrase should be made into class. Here is a class. So class required three things. That is subject, verb, and object. So here we should write here is subject. Verb is there. So because it is vulgar, so she was too vulgar, so that she did not do any help. So that Mrs. Slater was so vulgar that she didn't help anyone. In this case here, to help anyone means it is a phrase. Phrase should be made into class. Class requires subject, verb, and object. In this way, we have to make the sentence like this. She didn't or she couldn't. She didn't or she could not help any more. This is the model. So why we should write? Some student asked me, sir, why didn't you write here a didn't? Because it is what tense is there, children? Do you find what tense here? Past tense. So here is was. So that we should write here is did not. So here is to means we should, that is take negative sense. We understood here is negative sense. That's why Mrs. Slater was so vulgar that she didn't, that is she couldn't help anyone. Okay, children. Next example, see that. Henry Slater was too heavy. Henry's ladder was too heavy. To move the bureau. See children, here is Henry's ladder was too heavy. That means very. Then to move the bureau means this is the phrase. This is a phrase. Okay. So using so that, using here so that. So Henry, here is Henry ladder was, here is so, here like. So used in the place of to, that means very. So heavy. Okay. So heavy that he didn't move. So that here is Henry's ladder was so heavy. Conjunction here is that. So the first sentence, the part of the first sentence should be finished here only. So that next we should do add this phrase, that is this class. So we should make conjunction that. So that here is Henry's ladder was so heavy that here is subject. With the subject here Henry. So we should write he, because too heavy means so that he is so heavy that he did not do, or he could not. He could not. Here is was is there. So it refers to past tense. So Henry's ladder was so heavy that he could not move. He could not move the bureau. He could not move the bureau. This is so. So here Henry's ladder was too heavy. So here is to means so heavy. That is conjunction. Here is that we should write conjunction. Then after that, so this is the phrase. To move the bureau is the phrase. So it should be made into class. So class requires subject. So that he could not, because so heavy means unable. So we should write here is a negative meaning. So negative sense that he could not move the bureau. He could not move the bureau. Next example here is the water. The water is too salty to drink. So that here is that. The water is too salty. The water is here too salty. Here is too salty to drink. So using, so here is so that, so the water is too means here children so salty, here is conjunction. We should write what conjunction here is that. So here is that conjunction. So the water is so salty that to drink, it is a phrase. It is a phrase. It should be made into class. It should be made into class. What things required, especially class. So how we make a class? So class requires here subject and verb, and remaining part of the sentence here is object. So here is to drink means cannot be drink. To drink means here cannot be drink. Why? Because so salty, that is too salty. So we should write here negative meaning, that is negative sense. So here the water is so salty. So here is children is. Here is present tense. So we should write cannot. So the water is so salty that it cannot be. Water means here it, not subject here there. Water means it. So that it cannot be. It cannot be. Here is it. It cannot be drink. Okay, children. Next, the office here is Next children, the officer is too honest to take a bribe. To take a bribe. Here also so that. Children, here is the office is too honest means that cannot be. Here is to take a bribe. Okay. So using so that. So subject is here the same. The officer. Next here is to means here what we have right here. So honest. That is too honest means so honest. So here is completion of the sentence. When we go to next part of the sentence, we should write conjunction here that. So that here is it. Okay. To take a bribe is a phrase. It is a phrase. We should phrase here to convert to change into a clause. Clause requires subject. Here is this is a phrase here. You know this is a phrase. So phrase should be converted into here is make into clause. Here is clause. So clause requires subject. Who is the subject here? The officer. That means he. So that he. So honest. So that is here is the office is so honest that here is he is there. So he cannot. That is he cannot take a bribe. Cannot be there. Here is present tense is there here. He is there present tense. So we should write here is cannot. The office is so honest that he cannot take a bribe. The office is too honest to take a bribe. That is so honest that he cannot take a bribe. Okay. In this way, children, next example see that here is. Mrs. Slater is very greedy. Very greedy. She stole her father's bureau. Her father's bureau and clock. So here is so that. So children, here is a different example. Here is Mrs. Slater is very greedy. She stole her father's bureau and clock. Here is two examples, two sentences. So here is we should use here is so in place of very. In place of very. So answer is children. Mrs. Slater is very. You should write here so greedy. So greedy. Mrs. Slater is so greedy. So here we should use conjunction between two sentences. Between two sentences. This is one sentence. Mrs. Slater is very greedy is one sentence. And she stole her father's bureau and clock is another sentence. So we should write here conjunction. This like here is that. Next, subject is already given. So what is subject? She stole her father's bureau. Father's bureau apostrophe. Father's bureau and clock. And clock. Here is like that. So that. See children, Mrs. Slater is so greedy. That is very greedy. That is there. Why we should use here that because this is two sentences. One is completed when we that is connect next sentence we should use here is connected or conjunction that. So that she subject as she stole her father's bureau and clock. I think here is no need to change. Just we should write here so in the place of very. Okay, children. But here is we have to practice grammar in this way of your workbook. Thank you, children. See you in next class.